Hi, welcome to eSpares. I'm Matt. In this video, I'll be showing you what to do if your Bosch washing machine is displaying the error code E19 or F19. Now, if your Bosch washing machine is displaying either of these error codes, it means that the water inside the machine is not heating up correctly and that your heating element has failed. Thankfully, it's a very simple fix that you yourself can do at home without calling out a repair professional. Let's take a look. For this fix, you will need a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers and a Torx T20 screwdriver, as well as a new heating element. And you can find a link to these in the description below. Now, safety first, always remember to unplug an appliance before carrying out any work. To gain access to the heating element, the first thing you need to do is to remove the soap dispenser drawer. Pull it all the way out and simply press the tab in the middle to remove completely. Next, you need to open the door and then take off the door seal from the front of the appliance. To do that, you'll need to take off the outer retaining band using your flat-headed screwdriver. Just work it round to remove completely from the seal. And then simply push the door seal inside the appliance. Like so. Then we need to remove the kick plate. To do so, pull down the filter cover and then undo the Torx head screw that holds the kick plate in place. With that removed, you can pull the kick plate to the right slightly and remove completely. Next, you need to undo a Torx screw that's placed just underneath the soap dispenser drawer housing. There's two Torx head screws at the bottom of the front panel, one on the left-hand side and one on the right-hand side. Remove these. With these two screws at the bottom removed, you can now take the front panel and door off. To do that, simply pull at the bottom and then pull down. With the front panel and door removed, here we can see the heater with the electrical connections on the front. First thing you need to do is to remove the electrical connections. Do take a photo if necessary first, so you know where to put these electrical connections back to. Once the electrical connections are removed, you can then use your pair of pliers to undo the nut that holds the heater in position. With the nut removed, you can now go ahead and pull out the heating element. What I'm going to do is use my flathead screwdriver to just slip that behind and ease it out either side. There we go. To get the correct heating element for your washing machine, you're going to need to know the model number. This will ensure that you're getting the exact part for your particular appliance. Now, if you're not sure about where to find the model number on your machine, check out our video here that will give you all the help you need. To fit your new heater, simply push in to the bottom of the drum, lift up ever so slightly at the front so it locks into place, and push in as far as you can. Once you're happy that it's in position, you can go ahead and refit the nut. Once you've used a pair of pliers to tighten the nut on the heater and you're happy that it's in position, you can go ahead and fit the electrical connections using your photograph you took earlier as reference if necessary. With the heater in place, you can then fit the front of the machine back on. To fit the front panel, you have to fit these plastic lugs on the right and left hand side of the front panel inner into the holes in the cabinet, and then it sits nicely on the front. Refit the two Torx head screws at the bottom and then the one at the top. To fit the kick plate, simply pull the emergency drain hose through it and then slot it into place at the bottom before fitting the single screw that holds it in place. Next, pull the door seal through. Make sure you fit the pipe on the door seal to the pipe at the top of the drum opening. Make sure they're nicely attached before fitting the door seal around the lip of the front panel. Once you're happy that the door seal is back in position, you can then refit the retaining band, pop it round the opposite end to the spring end, and then you can stretch out the spring to fit it properly. You can use your flathead screwdriver to make sure it's securely in position. Finally, refit the soap dispenser drawer. Push down in the center and push in. If after carrying out the repair the error code persists, then this means that you have to reset the PCB. We'll show you how to do this on this model, and it should be the same for most Bosch washing machines. First, turn the control knob to the off position. Then turn it again to the 6 o'clock position. Next, press and hold the spin or RPM button, and whilst holding the button, turn the dial to 7 o'clock. Then, after 3 seconds, release the spin or RPM button and turn the dial back to the off position. This should clear away the error code and reset the machine. So there we have it, how to fit a new heating element and sort the E19 and F19 error codes on a Bosch washing machine. Now, if you're experiencing other issues with error codes on your washing machine, don't worry, we're here to help. Check out our full playlist of videos that will help you diagnose and fix any error code issues on your Bosch washing machine. And of course, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all things eSpares, maintenance advice, repair guides, and much, much more. Thanks for watching.